Jaguar Land Rover yesterday released financial results for its fiscal year 2026, which ended March 31st. We now know just how big of an impact the company's many trials and tribulations had on the automaker, and the results are staggering. In fiscal year 2025, the company reported a profit of about $3.3 billion US. In fiscal year 2026, for the full year, profit before tax and exceptional items was about $18.7 million US, a drop of about 99.44%. JLR was hit by a severe cyber attack last summer that just about shut down production for more than a month. Before that, in 2024, the company said it was going to basically take a year off from selling vehicles as it transitioned from gas to EVs. And then the tariffs, including last April when the UK manufacturer decided to cease shipments to the US as it struggled to come up with a tariff plan while facing 25% tariffs that were eventually negotiated to 10%. But things are looking up for the automaker. While Q4 revenue was down 11.1% year over year at about $9.2 billion, it was up 51.4% from the previous quarter. Total revenue for the full year 2026 was down 20.9% to around $30.6 billion US. JLR said volumes rose significantly in Q4 as production returned to normal. Still, full year production was negatively impacted by ongoing incremental US tariffs, increased competition in the Chinese market, the planned wind down of outgoing Jaguar models, and production stoppages following that cyber incident. While the $611 million US for Q4 profit before tax and exceptional items was down from a profit of about $1.17 billion US a year ago, that was still much better than the around $413.5 million loss the company sustained in Q3. For the full year, the loss after tax was around $325.5 million US compared to a profit of $2.4 billion US last year. Despite the challenges, JLR reported that the company, quote, remains resilient and well-placed to address the geopolitical, inflationary, and regulatory challenges the industry faces. Additionally, JLR's planned investment spend will remain at around $24 billion US over the 5-year period from fiscal year 2024. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now. It's a lot of numbers if you need to read it again.